amigos, it's Young Cabronita here with another motherfucking video. Today I'm going to be talking about these LED lights that I bought on Amazon that almost everybody has on social media. I was like, I really like them. I think they're pretty fucking cool. So I was like, let me just buy them. Fuck it. These are the lights I bought on Amazon. I will leave the URL in the description below. By the way, I'm actually not at my house. I'm at my boyfriend's house because I don't have my own room, so I don't want to put these up. And I was like, this is kind of like my own room because I get to decorate a little bit in here, even though nothing is decorated, but whatever. So I'm gonna open the box. The first thing you see is instructions, which you don't need. I'm assuming these are what the lights come in. It's like a bag. When you open this, by the way, I cleaned this box with some rubbing alcohol and Lysol and stuff, so I'm not using gloves like my other unboxing videos, so that's why I'm like, I can use my hands. Regardless, I will wash my hands anyways. Another one, damn, I forgot how many this comes. Some like screws and stuff. Alcohol wipies. Some more of these nails, and I don't know what the hell. Some kind of outlet box, has wires. The actual charger I guess the actual plug-in for the lights. The remote! Dude, I swear, if this light suck ass, I'm gonna be upset, but we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm just gonna show you guys how we set it up and everything. I'm just gonna see I'm not gonna see the instructions actually. I pretty know much more or less how I think it's gonna go, so whatever. If you need help with the instructions, read them. I don't give a shit. Without further ado, let's fucking get started. So now we're done putting up those fucking lights. It took a while, but whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys how it looks with the remote control, and I'll tell you guys exactly what color I use and whatever, so you guys can see. It's not nighttime at the moment, but I'm gonna show you right now, and I put it as dark as possible in here, so whatever. And I'm gonna turn off these lights so you guys could see better. The first color I'm gonna do, actually I'm just gonna turn it on. Ooh. I want to see a green. Ooh. Ooh. Orange. Purple. Another type of purple. A blue. Another blue. White. I wonder what these arrows in the bottom do exactly. Okay, I guess you have to like choose this. So, fade. Fade. Flash. Quick. Ooh, party for sure! What? That's lit. Okay. DIY. I guess, oh, DIY. Okay, so it would be with these. Because look, it's all in a box. And this one's like quick and slow, and then it's this one. Jump. Ooh. It's lit. Where's this one? Lowering it, hiring the light. Whoa, that's nice. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe down below, and I'll see you next video.
That's too much drugs and drink. Being hunted by my past. Someone help me get away. Damn, what you think I do? I buy more drugs and drink. Move.